Welcome to Kickstart Python, your first step into coding. Coding is like magic, and Python is your digital wand. Let's begin our journey into the world of programming. So what is Python? It's a special language that helps us communicate with computers. Just like we use words to talk to friends, we use Python to give instructions to computers. The best part? It's designed to be simple and easy for beginners to learn. Why learn Python? It's easy to climb, incredibly powerful, and wildly popular. From YouTube to NASA, it's used everywhere. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for the digital world, opening up endless possibilities. Python is behind many things we use daily. It powers social media giants like Instagram and YouTube, helps run amazing games like Minecraft, and even helps AI assistants understand our voices. Python is truly everywhere. It helps robots clean your floors, powers the websites you visit, aids in space exploration, and even helps Netflix suggest your next favorite show. Why should kids learn it? It levels up your brain by teaching problem solving, unleashes your creativity by letting you build your own apps and games, and prepares you for the future. Plus, it's just fun to control the computer. Coding is like having a superpower. You become the boss of your computer, building games, solving problems, and creating animations that can make people smile. You are in control. Here are some fun facts. Python was actually named after the comedy group Monty Python, not the snake. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991, and even NASA uses it to process images and control rovers on Mars. Time for a quick knowledge check. What is Python? A snake? A computer language? Or both? If you said both, you're absolutely right. Your coding journey has just begun. You've learned what Python is. Next, you'll start writing your own code and building your own projects. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and today, you took your first step.